Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this video, we are going to explore about MS Excel function Arabic. But before we proceed with the function Arabic, let's first discuss where this function is used. It's a function which converts a Roman numeral to Arabic numeral. So what is Roman numerals and what is Arabic numerals? Roman numerals is a number system used in ancient Rome for mathematical calculation purposes. Later, Arabic numerals got more popular and started getting used more often. The main reason for decline of Roman numerals was because Arabic numerals had only 10 individual numbers. Right now, Arabic numeral is globally referred numeral system. Back in 628 AD, an Indian mathematician, Brahmagupta, was the first person who defined zero and its mathematical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then Aryabhatta, another Indian mathematician, used zero in decimal system. The invention of zero removed a lot of complication that the mathematicians and astronomers used to face earlier. Zero then traveled to Middle East and soon became popular in doing mathematical operation. Later, Europeans, while doing business with Arabs, found the concept of zero more easier than their own Roman numeral system and later start using the same. It was later named as Hindu-Arabic numeral system, which is sometimes known as Arabic numeral system or Hindu numeral system. In this tutorial, we are going to show how we can convert Roman numerals into Arabic numeral using MS Excel function Arabic. The syntax of Arabic function is as follows: equal to Arabic, bracket open, text and bracket close. The text should be a Roman number only. In our today's example, in column C, we have inserted Roman numerals. We will convert the same to Arabic numerals. Now in cell D6, we will write equal to Arabic and link the cell C6. The formula will return Arabic number. We will copy the formula and paste it to the entire range. In cell C10, we will make some changes. We will convert the uppercase V into lowercase v and we will see the output has not changed, which indicates that Arabic formula is not case sensitive. In the same cell, we will add A before the letter V. Then the adjacent formula will return hash value error. This is because Arabic function is unable to locate a Roman numeral in cell C10. Then we will delete the value in cell C10 to make it blank and we will get 0 as an output, indicating if there is no value in a cell, we will get 0 as an output for Arabic function. Again, we will restore original V and write minus sign before it and we will get Arabic number with the negative value. Further, if we add spaces before and after V, and we will get correct value since the function ignores leading and trailing spaces. Now, in cell range G5 to I8, we will try to build Roman numeral calculator. Since mathematical calculation is not feasible in MS Excel for Roman numerals, we won't get any output in cell H8. Thus, we will first convert the Roman number into Arabic number in cell I6 and I7 using Arabic functions. Then, in cell I8, we will perform various mathematical operations. Now, in cell H8, we will now use Excel function Roman to get the values. Roman function in MS Excel is opposite to Arabic function. It calculates an Arabic numeral to Roman numeral. Using the same, we will get our desired output. And going further, we can use this table for calculation of Roman numerals. So that's it in today's session on Arabic function. If you find this video interesting and knowledgeable, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any concern, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.